Hi, welcome back. And I'm sure you already practiced self-hypnosis in the last lesson at least 3 times, and you might have already started feeling wonderful and relaxed. Self-hypnosis in itself is a very powerful tool to manage pain. If you practice self-hypnosis only a few times and make your body relax, all the pain will be gone. And you must be aware that hypnosis is a very powerful tool to control pain, manage pain. If you have gone through the Google and search pain control through hypnosis, you'll find that different varieties of ways this method has been used for controlling and managing pain. Many surgeries has been done through hypnosis without using any anesthesia. Painless childbirth has been done. Dentists, they are using hypnosis. I have used self-hypnosis myself, remove one of my tooth without any discomfort, very loss of less blood. Surprised my dentist, but still he has not given me any discount. That's a different thing. Now, the most important thing we start with pain control is the word what you use. The most important thing here is to change the word pain to discomfort. Why? Because when we say the word pain, the picture of pain comes in your mind. So important thing is remove the word pain from your vocabulary when you are speaking. Anybody asks you how you are feeling today, don't say the word pain. Say I'm feeling better than yesterday and my discomfort is reducing. The moment you change the pain to discomfort, things changes. Discomfort is a very powerful word to replace the word pain. I had a very good experience in one of my workshops many years back when I was conducting my 2 full-day workshop on hypnosis for self-improvement in Mumbai, India. In that workshop, before lunch break on the first day, everybody learned self-hypnosis and they learn how to control pain. We have a session where they learn to make a part of their right hand numb and then transfer the numbness to any part of their body so that the part feel no pain at all. Now, this technique was taught to them before lunch and immediately there was a lunch. Now, there is one participant in my seminar, 65-year-old approximately, and he came on crutches and he was not supposed to attend this kind of seminar. He had his hip bone replaced. He was not supposed to attend this kind of workshop, but he was interested in this kind of subject, hypnosis for self-improvement. He came to attend the workshop. Now, while having the lunch, as you know, we have a buffet there. He took his plate, find a chair to sit, and put his plate on the next chair. And he was having his lunch, and by the movement like bending, dislocation of the bone happened, and he was in severe pain. Now, as he learned self-hypnosis, he learned how to do hypnotic anesthesia. We guided him to go into waking self-hypnosis and remove the pain. So he was sitting in an awkward position, talking to everybody, feeling very less discomfort. We called the doctor, we called the family members. They arrived. When the doctor came in, when he saw the board hypnosis workshop outside the room, he got so excited. He said, "You don't need to go to the hospital. I'll set your bone right now, here and right now." He made him lie down on the floor and he said to him, where he did a blunder, he said to him, "You are relaxed, you are feeling nothing right now, but I am going to lift your leg now, you may feel pain." Now my friends, the moment he used the word pain, without touching his feet or legs, the fellow started screaming in pain. We have to remove him. Now remember, if you would have just said you will feel no discomfort, things would have been different. And when I do hypnotic anesthesia on somebody, I use the word discomfort. I said all the discomfort is gone from your whole body. Discomfort word is so powerful for hypnotic anesthesia. So my friend, a lesson for you here is remove the word pain from your vocabulary. Anybody asks you, "How is your pain today?" Say, "My discomfort is better than yesterday. I'm feeling less discomfort." Immediately change the word from pain to discomfort. You will start feeling wonderful. See, words are very powerful. In fact, I have recorded a whole video available at the same place where you are watching this video on language of success. Hypnotic words, change your life. words are very powerful. You have to be very careful what you use. So my friend, remember it. Change the word from pain to discomfort. Discomfort is a very powerful word. Replace it and you immediately start feeling good. Now when you meet somebody also, they are having a pain, you don't use the word pain. Ask them, how's your discomfort? How's your feeling? The moment you change the word from pain to discomfort, the other person will start feeling better. So my friend, use this regularly. You'll find a fantastic result with us. And the next lessons, you're going to learn certain techniques which I use in my workshop, teach people and help people to reduce pain or manage pain easily. So get ready for the next exercise. Thank you very much.